हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथमेटिक्स सॉल्यूशन। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज 8.2 का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन बताया था। आज हम करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 8.3 ऑफ चैप्टर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। इंट्रोडक्शन में आज हम करेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ complementary angles. Before starting this, I would like to tell you about complementary angles. Complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degree. If any two angles whose sum is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. अब हमने निकाले ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल की। तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लेंगे। पी क्यू आर, लेट पी क्यू आर बी अ राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल in which angle R, that is PRQ, is equal to 90 degree, and let angle PQR, this angle, let angle PQR is equal to theta. Now we know that by the angle sum property of triangle, sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. By angle sum property of triangle, we have angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Now angle P is equal angle Q is theta and angle R is 90 degree. Angle P plus theta is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Angle P plus Q is equal to 90 degree. It means, angle theta. It means sum of the angle P and Q, theta is Q, P and Q is 90 degree. Therefore angle P and Q are supplementary angle because their sum is 90 degree. And if we have to find the value of P, then P will become, this theta will subtract from 90 degree when it goes to another side, theta. Therefore value of P is 90 degree minus theta. Here we will write 90 degree minus theta. Now for trigonometric ratio, let sin P, let's find the value of sin P. When we take the acute angle P, then the side opposite to it is perpendicular side. Means if we take the angle P, then this will become perpendicular and this is the base. Therefore sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Means QR upon hypotenuse is PQ, and angle P is 90 degree minus theta, so we can write here sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to QR upon PQ. Let it be equation number 1. Now let's find the value of cos, trigonometric ratio cos P, because we have find the angle. Here we have taken 90 degree and minus theta, so we will also take here value of theta. Theta is angle Q, so when we take this acute angle, it will become, this side will become the base because it is adjacent side to angle theta, and this will become perpendicular. Therefore value of cos theta is, if You remember the formula of Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Base upon hypotenuse. Here base is QR and hypotenuse is PQ. QR upon PQ. Now from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, the right hand side is QR upon PQ, and on in cos theta it is also PQR upon PQ. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 we have sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Because their right hand side are equal, therefore left hand sides are also equal. Therefore these are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. We have to remember all these formula, like sin theta is 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. All these formula we need to solve the exercise 8.3. And second is cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. As we proved, sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, you can prove cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Number 3, we have tangent 90 degree minus theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta will be equal to cot theta. If you don't need to have remember it, just write the formula. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Sin, cos, tan, cot. Opposite of cos is secant and opposite of this is cosecant. And remember it as sin 90 degree minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta, sin theta. And tan 90 degree minus theta, cot 90. Similarly, secant 90 degree minus theta cosecant, and cosecant 90 degree minus theta is secant. So we can easily write here cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Number 5, secant 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cosecant 90 degree minus theta is equal to secant theta. It means that when we have in our question sin 90 degree minus theta, we can write it as cos theta, or cos theta can be written in the form as sin 90 degree minus theta, because both are in equal sign. So you can write sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta, as per according to the requirement of our question. So similarly, these formulas are very easy to learn. Sin will converted into cos, cos into sin, tan is into cot, and cot into tangent, secant into cosecant, and cosecant is equal to secant. All these formulas we need to solve the exercise 8.3. And as we proved the first formula here, similarly you can prove the other formula as well with the similar method. So if you like this video and found it useful, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to watch my next video in which we will solve the exercise 8.3. Thank you.